I've been having this feeling like I'm running so fast over and over in the same place. And I just think as long as I keep my legs moving, I'll eventually get to where I need to be, and that's that. But then I realized I've been running my own race, and I'm never going to stop running. I'm going to keep going, and there's no end to this race. So I need to remember to enjoy my moments in between the breathing. So I finally decided, instead of trying to fight and get rid of my anxieties and fears, I hold them with my two hands. I take lead and we run together. Instead of trying to burn them, I want to light them up. I want to celebrate them. Light up and go. I'm running to you to give you all I have. Chasing up that hill like you do to higher ground. Fire burning bridges, bonds run down. Time goes ticking, old friend, so stay for a while. Hey, old friend, I've been waiting for you. Wait, we need bass. Light up and light up and light up